Start with the moisturized face and applying serum. Apply serum for smooth base. Gently pat so it absorbs. Next we will apply some primer on our pores and area we need coverage. Now take some foundation on your back of your hand and swipe with makeup spatula. We don't have to make it cakey, so gently build layers. Take some concealer on back of your hand. Now let's apply some concealer. Once it's all done, set your makeup with the setting spray. Apply powder to set all your cream products. Now I'm gonna use this pink palette as my eyeshadow. Now let's do contouring, jaws and cheekbones. Make a slightly wing on your eye. Now let's overline your lips like this. We also have to give dimension to our lips to look it like 3D and pouty. Now apply darker shade in the inner part of your lips. I'm using same eyeshadow palette as a blush to make it look cohesive. Now apply some mascara to give volume and some gloss on your lips. I'm using this highlighter palette to give more light on your face. And tada, here's the finished look. I hope you like it, and if you like, please do give a subscribe and like, and we'll see you with the next video with next tutorial. Till then, bye.